This video will show you how to play Roblox on a PC with a PS4 controller. First, you'll need to download a tool called DS4 Windows. You can find the link in the description below. Roblox does not recognise PS4 controllers natively, so DS4 Windows will allow the game to recognise the controller. Once downloaded, unzip and install the application. You may be prompted to install .NET or any other required applications for DS4 Windows to work correctly. A pop-up may appear asking you to install the VGEMBus driver. Click it and follow the instructions. Once installed, plug in your PS4 controller to your PC by using its cable, or connect using Bluetooth. To connect via Bluetooth, hold the Share and PS button at the same time on the controller. Then select the controller from the Bluetooth menu on Windows. Once connected, click Start on the DS4 application. The program should identify your controller. Now join a Roblox game. You should be able to move around by moving the joysticks.